In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site's navigation menu. Let's make your site easier to use and ensure it looks just the way you want it. We'll walk through this process step by step to help you gain more control over your website's interface. So, let's dive right in and make those adjustments. To start off, you'll want to head over to your website's editor. Once you're there, look for the Pages menu. This menu is typically located in the side panel, known as the site structure, where all your pages and sections are displayed. Clicking on the Pages menu will open up a broader view of how your current pages are organized. It's a bit like opening a drawer to see all the folders you have, giving you a big picture view of everything that's happening on your site. Now that you see all your pages laid out, your next move is to manage them. Within the Pages menu, there should be an option labeled Manage Pages. Clicking this will grant you even greater control, allowing you to edit, rename, or even hide certain pages from the navigation menu if you so choose. This is especially handy if there are pages you're currently working on but aren't quite ready to make public. You'll see a detailed list of each page, including their hierarchical structure. This is where the real magic happens. Once you're in the Manage Pages area, it's time to rearrange the navigation to better suit your needs. This is a simple process that just involves dragging and dropping. You'll click and hold on a page or section you want to move, dragging it to a new position within the list. Imagine you're organizing files on your computer. Just click, drag, and drop. This will automatically update the order in which they'll appear on your site, making it straightforward for users to find what they need when navigating through your pages. Repeat this dragging and dropping process until you're completely satisfied with the order of your navigation menu. It's important to take the time to think about the user experience here. Ask yourself, does it make sense? Is it intuitive for someone visiting your site for the first time? Your navigation should guide users seamlessly to their destinations. And that's it. Once you've arranged the pages to your liking, your changes are automatically saved. You can view your site as a visitor to see your new navigation in action. Hopefully, this reorganization not only makes your site more user-friendly, but also enhances the overall aesthetic. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your site's navigation menu. Feel free to revisit this process whenever you need to update your site structure or add new content. Thank you for joining me today, and happy site editing.